Have you opened Task Manager and noticed that Steam is using an unusually high CPU, even when you're not downloading a game or actively using the client? Maybe your computer's fans are spinning loudly, your system feels sluggish, or games are getting less performance because Steam is consuming valuable processing power in the background. While Steam normally uses very little CPU when idle, certain settings, background processes, downloads, or software conflicts can cause it to use far more resources than it should. The good news is that this problem is usually easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to identify what's causing Steam's high CPU usage and how to reduce it. The first thing to do is determine whether Steam is actually idle. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-ESC and look at the Steam processes. If Steam is downloading updates, verifying game files, syncing cloud saves, processing workshop content, or updating installed games, temporary CPU usage is completely normal. Wait for these tasks to finish and see if usage returns to normal levels. If Steam continues using a lot of CPU while idle, restart the client completely. Exit Steam from the system tray, then open Task Manager and end any remaining Steam-related processes. Once everything is closed, launch Steam again and check the CPU usage. Sometimes background Steam processes become stuck and continue consuming resources unnecessarily. Another common cause is Steam's web-based interface. Steam uses embedded browser components for the store, community, friends list, and library pages. Over time, cached browser data can cause performance issues. Open Steam settings and clear the web browser cache and cookies. Then restart Steam. Many users notice an immediate reduction in CPU usage after doing this. Next, check whether hardware acceleration is causing problems. Open Steam settings and look for the option related to GPU accelerated rendering or hardware acceleration. Depending on your system, enabling or disabling this feature can significantly reduce CPU usage. After changing the setting, restart Steam and monitor the results. The Steam overlay can also contribute to high CPU usage, especially on older systems. Go to Settings, select In-Game, and temporarily disable the Steam overlay. Then launch a game and check whether CPU usage improves. If it does, you may choose to keep the overlay disabled for better performance. You should also inspect your Downloads page. A download that appears paused may still be processing files in the background. Steam often unpacks, verifies, or updates game files after downloads complete. These operations can consume considerable CPU resources. Allow them to finish before troubleshooting further. If your Steam library contains many animated game banners, trailers, and dynamic content, try enabling low performance mode in the library settings. This reduces visual effects and can lower CPU usage, especially on older PCs and laptops. Background software can also interfere with Steam. Third-party overlays from screen recorders, RGB software, hardware monitoring tools, or game launchers sometimes conflict with Steam and increase CPU consumption. Temporarily disable these applications and check whether Steam usage decreases. Another important step is updating Steam and Windows. Steam client updates often include performance improvements, while Windows updates may resolve compatibility issues affecting resource usage. Keeping both fully updated helps prevent unnecessary CPU load. If the problem started recently, try clearing Steam's download cache. Open Settings, go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, and sign back into your account. Corrupted cache files occasionally cause Steam processes to behave abnormally. As a last resort, you can repair or reinstall Steam. Before reinstalling, back up your game library if necessary. A fresh installation often resolves corrupted configuration files that may be causing persistent CPU usage problems. So to summarize, check for active downloads and updates, restart Steam completely, clear browser and download caches, test hardware acceleration settings, disable the Steam overlay, reduce library visual effects, close conflicting background applications, and keep Steam updated. These steps will resolve most cases of excessive CPU usage and help Steam run more efficiently. I hope this tutorial helped you reduce Steam's CPU usage and improve your system's performance. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more PC troubleshooting tips, gaming tutorials, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.